Welcome back to Silver and Gold, the channel where we dive into everything you need to know about precious metals, their value, and their real-world uses. In today's video, we're exploring a side of silver that doesn't get talked about as much, the industrial demand behind it. From technology to solar panels to medicine, we'll take a look at how these sectors influence silver's price and why its value continues to rise. Let's jump in. Silver is more than just a precious metal we associate with jewelry and investments. It's actually a critical component in several industries, and that's a big reason why its price is always shifting. Today, let's dive into how silver's demand in technology, solar panels, and medicine impacts its value. Let's start with technology. Silver is a top-notch conductor of electricity, which makes it essential in pretty much every electronic device we use. From smartphones and laptops to tablets and even medical equipment, silver helps ensure these devices work efficiently. It's also used in automotive electronics and other tech innovations. As technology keeps advancing, silver's role only grows, driving up its demand in the process. Next up is solar energy. If you didn't know, silver plays a key part in solar panels, specifically in the photovoltaic cells that convert sunlight into electricity. With the world pushing harder for renewable energy solutions, the demand for solar panels is growing fast. And since each panel relies on silver to do its job, the demand for silver is going up along with it. So, as more countries and companies invest in green energy, silver's role in the process is becoming more and more valuable. Then there's medicine. Silver's antibacterial properties have been recognized for centuries, and it's still widely used in the medical field today. You'll find silver in everything from wound dressings and surgical tools to water purification systems. It's a go-to material for preventing infections, especially in medical settings, because it doesn't cause the same issues with antibiotic resistance that other substances might. As medical technology evolves, the demand for silver in healthcare continues to rise. So, how do these industrial uses affect silver's price? Well, silver's price isn't just determined by the usual factors like market speculation and investment demand, like we see with gold. It's also driven by real-world demand for its industrial uses. When industries like tech, energy, and healthcare ramp up production, they need more silver to do their work. That increased demand can push prices higher. On the flip side, economic slowdowns or technological advancements that reduce the need for silver can cause prices to drop. The bottom line is this: silver isn't just valuable because of its beauty or investment potential. It's valuable because it's necessary for some of the most important industries of today and tomorrow. As technology, renewable energy, and healthcare continue to evolve, silver's demand will keep shaping its price and its role in our world. Thanks for tuning in to today's video on the industrial uses of silver and how they affect its price. If you found this info valuable, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Silver and Gold for more insights into the fascinating world of precious metals. Have any questions or thoughts? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep shining and stay informed.